guys, and welcome back to another Ipsy Glam bag unboxing here on my channel. This one is for the April 2020 Ipsy, just normal glam bag, level glam bag. So this is what the bag looked like. I have stuff that's also too big to fit in there in the bag too, but look how freaking cute it is. There's a little wooden handle. I have the Glam Bag Plus subscription too, and it also has that same handle, and it's a blue bag. Really cute. I like this a lot. Like, surprisingly more than I thought I would when I saw it on the website in the preview. So, before I take anything out, let's take out the things that were too big to fit. So the first thing in here, or actually, before I do that, let's get the card out and read it. There it is. I think there's one product in here that I got a replacement on because it looked iffy when I got it, so they sent me a replacement. They're really good about that, but I think I forgot to take out the original one that looked iffy, so if there's two in there, that would be why. So anyways, this is the Ipsy #Full Bloom. Looks like that on the card. Mother Nature's finest work? You. It's time to fully embrace your natural and most gorgeous state, curls, curves, and all, and allow yourself to blossom. I thought it'd say room to blossom. It's just allow yourself to blossom. Grow your beauty skills, whether you're looking for a 101 on liquid liner, an expert's take on skincare ingredients, or the perfect hairstyle how-to, the Ipsy blog has the intel. Get ready, your skills are about to super bloom. Find it all on ipsy.com/blog. Okay. Roses are red, violets are blue. These 5 glam bag products, valued at 50+, were picked just for you. Aw, how cute! So, okay, now I'll pull out the brush. So this is by Shayna B. Miami, and it's a blush brush, which is good because I just ran across my blushes again and realized I don't think I have a blush brush. But yes, I do! I have one right here! Look at that. And it says blush on the back, so I'll never forget what brush this is. Oh, mama, that is soft. So this is full size and retailed at $23, which is more than I pay for the subscription, so the blush brush alone already makes it worth the price of admission. Actually, I think every product that I got this month is worth more than the value of my subscription. Just throwing it out there. So, meet your powder's blush... Let's try that again. Meet your powder blush's new bestie. This brush has a square cut shape that's easy to use no matter your makeup level skill. Skill level, sorry, not level skill. I'm a little bit dyslexic, forgive me. It gives you a ton of precision and control when applying color and has ultra soft bristles that blend pigments like a dream. Tip. The square cut tip works perfectly for contouring your cheekbones, hairline, and jawline too. Oh, so like a bronzer brush as well, huh? Okay. I mean, I'm still trying to figure out how the hell to use bronzer, but good to know that this can work for that. Alright, so we're gonna put that back in here for safe protection for now. Whoop! Okay. I love that rose gold there too, by the way. Very pretty. Very me. I love it. So next, which I'm actually the most excited about, we got sheet masks. We got sheet masks. Sorry, I've been way into sheet masks and just face masks in general lately. Like, really, really into them. Possibly even more so than lip balm. Like, what is happening to me? These are by Jejun USA Essential Sheet Mask Set. This one has a calming one and a brightening one. I love the brightening ones, personally. The fastest way to get your skin ready for lighter makeup days, this glow-boosting sheet mask set. Pop on the brightening mask when you... Really, phone? I swear I can't record without that phone ringing. We'll wait. We'll wait. Really? I need the Jeopardy music right about now. One more. That's it. Okay. So the fastest way to get your skin ready for lighter makeup days, this glow-boosting sheet mask set. Pop on the brightening mask when you want to fade dark spots and up your skin's radiance, and use the calming mask when you want to soothe and hydrate stressed skin. Tip, store your masks in the fridge so they feel extra cool and refreshing when you apply. This is a deluxe sample, which it says that the full-size version of this, which would be 10 masks, is $30. Good to know, though, because, I mean, the calming one is grapefruit. It's pore tightening, which I definitely need. And then the brightening one evens out your skin tone and is rosemary. And I'm like, I feel like I would pay $30 for 10 of those each. So, very excited for these guys. Like, you have no freaking clue how excited I am. So, expiration 2020. Oh, I read it wrong. I was like, I thought it said 2011. And I was like, excuse me? No, it's 2021. Okay. So there's those. I think that was actually the product that I picked out. So next one. Oh, this must have been an add-on item. Okay. So this is by the brand Mayel. I think that's how you say it. And it is, what is it? Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips in Rose. It doesn't say anything else about it, so let's take a look-see at it. Whoa! Oh, hello. I forgot I bought that as an add-on. And I'm like, wait, what the hell is this? Oh. Oh, hello, darling. I love that. Look how pretty that is. I can't wait to try that out for you guys. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the needs to be reviewed lip balm box. Yeah, so I don't forget about it. Next, since it's not on the card, there's nothing to read about it, so I can't really say much there yet. I'll research it before I do it. Oh, I think this is also an add-on. What did I do in April, guys? Yeah, it is. So this is by the brand Helios. Helios Luminor Smart Nail Polish. I'm not quite sure what that means. Oh, so that's on the back. And the color name doesn't have it. Livin' Lovely. So, Helios Luminor is a smart nail polish with a photo initiator. What? Photo initiator for a gel-like look and long wear time. This formula cures in natural light with no need for a UV or LED lamp. Okay. Combine it with Helios Luminor Top Coat for extra shine with maximum wear time of up to 10 days. Tips for longer wear time. Clean the nails with oil-free nail polish remover. Do not touch with fingers. Apply a thin first coat. Seal the tip of the nail and let dry for 2 minutes. Apply a second coat. Let it dry completely for extended wear time. Apply the top coat. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Let's take a look. Ooh, it's got a rubbery handle on it. I don't generally see that when it comes to nail polish. Oh, this thing is cool. Oh, I actually like that color more than I thought. And it matches the bag. Look at that. Look at that. How perfect. I didn't even know that when I was adding it on. Oh, wow. Good, because I'm kind of getting bored of this color, so I'll put that on next, I think. Okay, this one is actually properly in here. So this is the Goldfaden MD Hands to Heart Anti-Aging and Brightening Hand Treatment. Finally, a multitasking cream that makes dull, dry hands a distant memory for good. This potent formula soaks in fast. That means no stickiness or greasiness. Perfect. And treats hands to a dose of hydrating hyaluronic acid and skin-brightening retinol and niacinamide. Wow, you don't usually see those in hand treatments. Those are usually in face things. Tip, prepare dry hands while you sleep and slather on this lightweight cream before bed. Deluxe sample. The full size of this is $38. Yeah, Goldfaden MD is like a really expensive brand, so I always like it when I get it in my Ipsy bags because it's not something I would ever splurge on in real life, but I'll happily take it when they give it to me in Ipsy, so... Okay, what else have we got? This is Nomad Cosmetics Tuscany Intense Eyeshadow in Aperitivo. Oh. It has a Vespa on the front, guys. Look at it. Oh my god. Oh, it's so perfect for me. It hurts. Those of you who've known me for years know that as a teenager, a Vespa was like my dream vehicle that obviously never panned out into happening, but part of my heart still dreams of having one someday. I don't think my balance is good enough to realistically do it, but in my imagination, I like to pretend it anyway. Let's see this. Oh, it's like rose gold. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm excited. Okay. True to its name, Aperitivo, a shimmery rose quartz shadow, is the perfect shade for all your day-to-night spring adventures. It feels like velvet, goes on like butter, and won't crease on lids either. Plus, the cruelty-free formula is made without parabens, phthalates, and talc. Tip, use your fingers to tap the shadow all over lids or on the center for a pop of luminosity. This is a deluxe sample. Full size is $27. Hey man, the deluxe sample sizes of the eyeshadows still last me freaking forever, so I'm good with that. And what else we got? Okay, this is what I had two of. This is the replacement over here. This was the original, and this is by Bare Minerals. It's the Mineralist Hydra Smoothing Lipstick in Courage, which of course makes me think of the Cowardly Lion in The Wizard of Oz of courage. Courage. Anyways, it's like a nice bright red, full of lip smoothing color, free of dryness. It's an itty bitty cute little thing. Whoop! Come back, you. Look how tiny it is. It's so cute. Actually, maybe this was the replacement and I stuck the other one in there. I don't know, but regardless, it's that color. One of them had bumpies all over it. That's all I know. And I'm not comfortable putting that on my mouth when it's got bumpies. So, we found it, your forever red lip color, the one that you can wear day or night and for every occasion. The mineral-infused and vegan formula is made with 19 healthy ingredients including olive oil, pomegranate, and jojoba that lock in hydration for super smooth lip color. Tip, prep your lips with balm, apply one coat, blot your lips, and repeat with another coat. You can also then blot again to lock it in further. Just saying. But yeah, this is a really pretty red. I know that it looks more like a warm red. Well, actually, I take that back. Let's see it in person again. No, actually, I was gonna say it looks like a warm red, but no, I do see bluish undertones in there, therefore it should look great on me because I have a cool skin tone. Yeah, your girl has been reading up on figuring out cool and warm and neutral tones and how to make any color work for any skin tone. Yeah, that. So, full size of that retails for $20, but anyways, that's okay. I am okay with my sample size. I will enjoy it thoroughly. But yeah, that's what I got in my April Ipsy Glam bag. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and give this a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, you can leave a tip in my virtual tip jar. The donation link is also down in the description. Anyway guys, till next time, see ya.